friend, this is Nobuko. I'm now heading to Shinjuku Station, the busiest station in the world. Many people find the structure within Shinjuku Station difficult to understand. As a Shinjuku Station master who has been using this station since I was born, I'll guide you through the JR Shinjuku Station premises. At the end of the video, the gates of Shinjuku Station are summarized in a table and a graphic. Stay tuned till the end to take screenshots. Okay, let's get started. Shinjuku Station was used by an average of 3.59 million people per day in 2018, making it the world's busiest railway station by far. And it is served by many lines. Plus, it's connected to the above stations by underground passages. As you've learned, there are various train lines in Shinjuku. However, I'll only introduce you to the premises of JR Shinjuku Station, which many tourists are likely to use. Shinjuku Station looks complicated as in fact it is complicated. To get a full picture of Shinjuku Station, there are few things to keep in mind. There are 9 ticket gates at JR Shinjuku Station. If you know where these ticket gates are, you can safely assume that you have conquered 70% of JR Shinjuku Station. When you get off the train at Shinjuku Station, make sure you know where you want to go before you move. The station is large and complex, so if you move without a plan, you will get lost. Stopping in the middle of the street, not just here, disturbs other people's traffic. Move to the end of the passageway before checking your destination. All platforms in JR Shinjuku Station are located on the first floor. The ticket gates for the east and west exits are on the first basement floor. Meanwhile, the ticket gate for the south exit is on the second floor. When you get off the train at Shinjuku Station, look for the escalator going down to reach the west or east exit. If you are heading to the south exit, take the escalator going up. This is the south gate. Let's see what the outside of the ticket gate looks like. This is what the south gate of the station looks like. On the other side of the road is the new south gate. The south gate area includes these spots. On the second floor of the station, there is the southeast gate. This is the southeast gate. Let's see what the outside of the ticket gate looks like. I'm getting close to the southeast gate. There is a Shinjuku tourist information over there. The southeast gate is upstairs. As we checked, the south and the southeast ticket gates are on the same floor. Now I'll show you how to get to a very important place to use the Narrated Express. It might be difficult for people unfamiliar with Shinjuku Station. To get to platforms 5 and 6 where the Narrated Express arrives and departs, you have to go to the New South Gate area. The New South Ticket Gate is located at a distance from the South Ticket Gate. To get there from here, you have to go to the platform once. New South Gate is not directly connected to the South Gate. When you reach the platform floor, walk further south. There are 3 ticket gates in the New South Gate area. If you want to get to Tokyo Hands or bus terminal from Shinjuku Station, follow this hidden narrow path. Walk down this lonely passageway and you will see an escalator. This passageway leads to the New South Gate. This is the New South Gate area. The New South Gate is over there. If you want to go to Takashimaya, Tokyo Hands, Shinjuku Express, the bus terminal, this is the right gate. This is the New South Gate from outside the station. You can enjoy shopping here as there are many stores. This is another gate, Miraina Tower Gate. And this is the Koshu Kaido Gate. This is outside of the Koshu Kaido Gate. I got back to the platform floor again. After a long walk, I arrived at the other side of the platform. The east and the west gate areas are located on this side. Let's go downstairs. Shinjuku Station is undergoing major redevelopment, so the station structure is still changing. That is the central east gate. There are coin lockers everywhere in Shinjuku Station. Some are empty, so be patient when you look for one. That is the east gate. Don't worry if you make a mistake, as the east and the west gate are connected to by a wide passageway. That is the west gate. The west gate area includes the Metropolitan Government Buildings, skyscrapers, Omoide Yokocho, and Yodobashi Canal. This is outside of the west gate area. Large-scale construction sites like this can only be seen now. Walking in that direction will take you to the west or central west gate. This is the view of the west exit area from the basement. I explained how to navigate JR Shinjuku Station in this video. When you get off the platform at JR Shinjuku Station, check your destination first. Then check which ticket gate you need to go to. Take a screenshot of this table to keep. Platforms are located on the first floor. The south and the new south gate are located on the second floor. Meanwhile, the east and the west gates are located on the basement floor. Take a screenshot of this graphic to keep. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm also taking your requests. Leave your comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね